Welcome back. I was going to play a song for you. It's called Slave Driver. Slave driver, tables turning, catch fire, catch a fire. Gonna get burned, catch fire. Slave driver, tables turning, catch fire, catch your fire. You're gonna get burned, catch fire. Every time I hear the crack of a whip, my blood runs in me cold, yeah. I remember on the slave ship how they brutalize our very souls. They say that we are free, only be chained in poverty. Good God, I think it's illiteracy. Only machine that make money. Slave driver, tables turning, catch fire, catch your fire. You're gonna get burned, catch fire, catch. Slave driver, the tables turn, catch fire, catch your fire. You're gonna get burned, catch fire, catch fire. Every time I hear the crack of a whip, my blood runs cold, yeah. I remember on the slave ship, ooh, yeah. They say that we are free, only to be chained in poverty. Good God, I think it's illiteracy. There's only a machine that make money. Slave driver, the tables turning, fire, catch your fire. You're gonna get burned, catch fire. Slave driver, tables turning, catch fire, catch your. I went downtown, I saw Miss Brown. She had brown sugar all over her booga wooga. I think I might join the fun, but I had to hit and run. You see, I just can't settle down in the kinky part of town. Right on, right on, right on, right on. Kinky reggae, kinky, kinky reggae, kinky reggae now, kinky reggae, kinky reggae now, kinky reggae, kinky reggae now. Nice one, nice one, nice one. I went to Piccadilly Circus, that's where I saw Marcus. He had a candy tar all over his chocolate bar. I think I might join the fun, but I had to hit and run. See, I just can't settle down in the kinky part of town. Right on, right on, right on, right on. Kinky reggae, kinky reggae, kinky reggae, kinky reggae now, kinky reggae, kinky reggae now, kinky reggae, Kinky reggae now. Just my eyes this morning. The sun is on the rise once again. Weird victims growing. Anything can happen. See them sitting on their evil trip. Blast off in their spaceship now. Treading miles from reality. Don't care for you, don't care for me now. So much trouble in the world. So much trouble in the world. All you got to do is give a little, give a little, give a little, give a little. One more time, yeah, yeah, yeah. So you think you found a solution, and it's just another illusion. So before you check out this time, don't believe another cornerstone standing there behind. Yeah, we've got to face the day. Do we come what may? We just three people talking. We the street people struggling. See them play with their time booms. Now I know the time has come. What goes on up is coming on down. What goes around is coming around. So much trouble in the world. 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 There is so much trouble. There's so much trouble. There is so much trouble. There is so much trouble. Whoa. Hey. Thank you. Uh, Me and the little birdie. The Step In Cham show continues.